In this episode, we're going to take these 18-inch wheels off the Liberty and put them onto my black SG Forester to see if they're buckled. Alright, so we're going to get the Spec B Liberty wheels off. We've only got 3 on here, we've got the spare here, so we've got one in the boot. So we'll get the black Forester out and we'll jack this one up, put it on the jack stands, get all the wheels off, and then we'll just jack up one corner at a time around the black Fos. Alright, let's get it back up. Alright, the Liberty is up off the ground, so we can get all the wheels off, and we'll bring the black Fos out. Alright, got the wheels off. Let's get the black Fos in. Alright, I wonder how quick we can swap these over. Alright, let's get the stopwatch going. There we go. 14 minutes just to change tyres. Wheels, I mean, on the ground. Make sure they're all inflated good. Then we'll go for a drive. Alright, just check the tyres and they are all the same. I'll put you guys on tyres because you're nearly flat already and we'll go for a drive. Alright guys, got a little bit more battery. So the buckled feeling in the Liberty is when it was going slow. So I'm not going to record much when I'm driving, but I'll let you know how it goes. Let's jump in the car, it's warmed up. Go for a little drive. Alright. So it's daylight savings at the moment. It's not 7 o'clock at night, it's 6. Which is great. Here comes summer. Steering wheel feels alright. Next door's VFSS. Don't want to hit that. Any Foresters I could buy with the amount of money that is. Alright. Sorry about the sun there, guys. I don't even have my sunnies with me. Doesn't feel the best. sun. I've got a bit of a noise happening in the front of this anyway, so it makes it a bit harder. I don't think maybe have a slight buckle, but there must be something else going on in the Liberty that magnifies it, like maybe a bent tie rod or something. Maybe a little bit there. Alright guys, bit of a flashback to last episode. I got rid of the oil and I've emptied this now, and it's pretty starry. Like, there's quite a bit of metal in there. So I think I might start looking for another engine to rebuild. I'll rebuild it on the side and then we'll swap it over. Because yeah, that's not good. That's quite a bit. So probably in the next 6 months we'll swap the engine over, and then I'll pull the one that's in it apart, have a look, check the bearing wear and all that. Alright, so I'll swap the wheels over to the Forester, taken it to work, and they said when they got a bit of time they'll take the car in and they'll balance the wheels, make sure they're round and balanced. So it feels a lot better with driving. Seriously, it does. Maybe because we have a bit more camber, or we have camber on the Liberty. I keep calling it a Legacy. In Australia it's a Liberty. It does have camber, so maybe it's riding that inside edge a bit more, where it's got a little bit of a flat spot on the rim. But on the Black Forester, it was fine. It seemed okay. So I'll just keep driving it until they check it at work, and I'll give you the results. Alright guys, so I've been driving the Forester with the Liberty wheels on it for about 4 days now. It is Thursday now, and I got one of the boys at work to balance that wheel up on the front right, and when it was on the machine you could see it is buckled in 2 spots, pretty much 180 from each other. So on the inside edge, this isn't the wheel but opposites, and he took the weights off and spun it up, and it needed 300 ounces or grams. I'm not sure what weight it was, but it was 300. It was a stupid amount on the inside. So along here, I think it was like 45 grams or something on the inner lip of the barrel. So it was pretty whack. It's all balanced up now and drives a lot better, but yes, it was buckled, and he said if you're going to use it, just have it on the back. So yeah, they will go on to something else that will be for next episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.